Okay, so here we have our equation 23 times 37. We're going to start with an estimation, and we're going to do that using rounding method to the nearest tenth. So our 23 will be 20, and our 37 is going to turn into 40. And now we need to go 20 times 40 equals 800. And this is my estimation. Okay, so here we have our equation. We have our 23 times 37, so 10, 20, 1, 2, 3 times our 37, 10, 20, 30, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we're just going to go ahead and start filling it in. We'll start with our hundreds blocks. So 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Okay, so now that we have our grid all filled in, we'll just count it. So we'll go 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 700, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 800, 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51. So we have 851 altogether. Okay, so now we're going to go through and we're going to represent our 23 times 37 pictorially. So we'll start by filling in our hundreds again. So 100. So now if we count them out, we'll start with our 100s. So 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 600 plus 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 130, 140, 150, 160, 170, 180, 190, 200, 210, 220, 230, plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Now this all together is going to give us 851. Okay, so now we're going to represent our 23 times 37 symbolically. So it's a similar grid to what we just did with the pictorial. So we have our numbers broken into tens and ones. So we'll just start filling it out. So 10 times 10, 100, and we'll just follow along. Okay, now we have our chart filled out, so now we just need to count it up, same as we did before. So 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600. So I'm just going to write that down so we don't forget. 600, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 10, 20, 30, and then we'll count our ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. And now, if we add up all of these numbers, we're going to get 851. So lastly, we're going to do our personal strategy, which is our box method. So we're going to break up 23 and 37 into 20 and 3 and 30 and 7. And then we're going to multiply them. So 20 times 30 is 600. 20 times 7, 140. 30 times 3 is 90. And 3 times 7 is 21. And then off on the side here, we're going to take all of these numbers and add them up. So 600 plus 140 plus 90 plus 21. So 0 plus 1 is 1. 9 plus 4 is 13 plus 2 is 15. Carry our 1. 6 plus 2 is 8. 851. Okay, so we're just going to return back to our estimation. So our original estimation by rounding, we did 20 times 40, which gave us 800. And our real equation was 23 times 37, which gave us 851. And I would say that these are relatively close answers, making this a fair estimate.